Hi, good morning, and this is Alpha, and welcome back to my channel. And today I will be making a rebatch of milk and coffee scrub soap. So this time this will be all vegan. These are my oils: coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, shea butter, and castor oil. And I will be using fresh ground coffee, and my essential oil would be Fir Needle. It's all 100%, and all my water will be milk. So I did not use water for this soap. So now I'm gonna mix my lye solution with the all pure coconut milk. So let's get started. In my lye solution with this milk, coconut milk, I add 1 tablespoon of sodium lactate. So we'll mix this, blend this in until all the mixture, the oil and the milk and lye is completely mixed. So this is a rebatch. This batch is very moisturizing because I use all coconut milk. Unlike my first batch, I mix milk, coconut milk, and some water. For this batch, it's all coconut milk. And then I will add my shea butter. Shea butter is known for, this is a potent moisturizer. I will divide this mixture. The half will be white, and the other half I will add the coffee grounds. So I will add now 1 ounce of Fir Needle Essential oil. Okay. Smell good. This is my first time to make use this Fir Needle Essential oil, and I've been hearing good about this essential oil, and it's really smell good. It has that earthy aroma, earthy scent. Okay, it's now light on a light trace. So I will divide this butter. The other half would be white, and other half would be It has the coffee grounds. Okay, there's more. And then I will add some titanium. Okay, I will add now my coffee grounds. Oh, it's look beautiful. So for my coffee grounds, I just add 2 ounces. So this will be mild exfoliating soap. Okay, now this is ready to pour in my soap mold. Okay, I hope you see this. There. I want this completely mixed. Okay, wow, so look good. This is a little different from the first batch I made. Oh, I like it. This is popular of all my soap. Milk and coffee scrub. We'll put all this soap here. We will not waste any drop. This is good. Okay, and then I'll have this set for a while. And then the top would be plain. Set this aside. And for this white, I will put a little titanium. This will be like milk on top of this with coffee ground butter. Oh, it's beautiful. This is the consistency I am waiting. Heavy trace. Mix more so it will be completely mixed. It's beautiful. Okay, back my I'll do a top, so this will be a little, so it will get down at the bottom. There. And then the other half would be like this, top. I hope this will not get in the bottom because I want this only top. So there is a little division. The bottom will be have coffee grounds and the top only just white. And then I will put some coffee grounds on top of this to make it more attractive and beautiful. And okay, I'm happy with this result. It's beautiful. Wow, I'm delighted. Okay, and then let's tap this a little. Okay, and then I'll do some texturing on top with my spoon. Let's clean this first. Okay. I'll do some texturing on top. You see this? Okay, that's the soap. I'll put a little coffee grounds on top. So, oops, to make it more, wow, it's nice. It's nice. Okay, oh, it's beautiful. So this is it. I'll show you guys. There. So that's my milk and coffee scrub soap. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.